Welcome back to the YouTube channel Fun Mania. In today's video, we are gonna unbox the two different variants of the Iqoo 15. This is the 16GB 512GB variant in the Legend color, and this is the 12GB 256GB variant in the Alpha color. So first of all, we are gonna unbox the Legend. So here is the seal. So we have first Iqoo 15 powered by Origin OS, and here we are getting a seal as well. Okay, and this video is not only for just colors. We are going to check the internal memory, the RAM storage available for both of them, because one is the 12GB variant and other is the 16GB variant and 512. So this is the phone. So here we are getting the seal. Let's do the peel off. So this is the Iqoo 15, and you can see monster inside, and you can see the side frames, the top, the left, which is completely neat, and the bottom. And yeah, this one is not definitely fingerprint, no fingerprints. You can see perfect. Wow, nice. Okay, it's really cool and smooth to hold in the hands. And so let's check what else are we getting in the box. Next, the case. Okay, thankfully it's not a transparent. Okay, so looks nice. Let's keep it over there. And then the important information, warranty card, quick start guide, and then the type C to type C data cables, the SIM ejector tool, and then the adapter. This is the 16GB 512GB Legend, and this is the Alpha color of the Iqoo 15, and which is in the 12GB 256GB variant. And let's look. So it feels like a black and white, and you can see the Iqoo logo is over here versus Iqoo logo over here on the white or the Legend, and we are getting an extra moto sports type of logo over here versus it's missing over there. And in the camera rings, it feels a bit more premium due to that silver aluminum ring over there, versus this feels the same color as that of the back panel. And on the right, you can see, so it's completely like a black metal, so almost closely resembles, I would say, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's kind of jet black, in my opinion. And you can see, so if you prefer that the premiumness is for this, then I would agree with you. So this is the top, you can see, and left is completely clean, and the left is completely clean. And then the bottom, these two devices are not a single fingerprint. It's really good. Now it's time to boot up the devices and check the RAM, storage, and all. Iqoo 5G, and let's start. Wow, start Origin OS, navigation keys. Oh, a nice haptic feedback as well. So yeah, set up welcome, enter Origin OS. Okay, we can see an V App Store, and let's see bloatwares. Okay, still there is a bloatware. You can see block blast is there, and luckily we have no more bloatwares. That's really a good thing. You can see no more bloatwares apart from that single block bus, but you can just say uninstall. You can uninstall it right away, so that's completely fine. And now let's look. Oh, actually the navigation bar feels a bit more responsive. You can see, okay, the animations and transition scales are a bit better. It feels super fluidic. Okay, so settings, and let's look at the RAM and storage. So you can see no apps are running in the background. And before that, let me first show you the RAM. So you can see in the 12GB 256GB variant, you are getting 17.79GB free. It's due to this external RAM feature. I will turn off this external RAM feature as well. So currently it's using 6.21 and the available is 17.79, and on the 16 GB you are getting 25 GB free RAM because it's 16 plus 16, that effectively means 32 GB RAM for this one, and its use is almost the same for, you can see, 6.97. it's higher than the 12 GB obviously. And now I'll just turn off it later on, and before that I will show you the available storages. You can see in the 16 GB 512 GB variant, that's the 478.47 GB will be available, and the used is 33 GB, and on the 256 GB variant it is almost 31.57 is used, and the available is 224.43. so that's the available storage spaces for both of them. And yeah, you can see, so here is this device storage available and the details out there. So 478 GB on the 512 GB and 224 GB on the 256 GB. So let's check accordingly, will that be sufficient for you. And now I'm gonna turn off the external RAM. So let's turn on it off, and this, see, restart now. I will update after the restarting. Well, I will show you the cases. How does this look? So a black case for the alpha. Okay, so that it's done. And before that, let me show you the cases and how does that look. So this is for the alpha, and white case for the legend. Obviously matches the color and all. So this is how both of them look with the cases. And now let's check. So again, going to the settings, RAM and storage, on, off, and now the external RAM is turned off. Now you can see on the 16 GB variant, still you can almost get close to 10 GB available, and you can see no third-party apps are in. This is just the current condition, no apps are running in the background, and still you can see almost both are using almost 6.50 on the 16 GB variant and 6.16 on the 12 GB variant, and available is 6 GB on the 12 GB variant and almost close to 9.5 10 GB on the 16 GB variant. So that's the difference between these two of them. So I'll be making a complete tips, tricks and feature settings video, and then a review and a comparison with the OnePlus 15 and few other competitors out there. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.